I want to speak English is my new English course for the beginners. I want to speak English is your springboard into the world of English. This is your new, interesting and exciting adventure that you will undertake to start speaking English. In this English course, you will learn how to make a magic salad out of new words to learn and speak English faster and better. Repetition is the mother of a skill, is the motto of the course. With this English course in your pocket, your life will never be the same again. But if you don't need this course, you certainly know the people who need it badly. Tell them about the course, help them start a new, interesting and amazing life. Thank you.